welcome. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. On this video, we're going to be unboxing Scentsy's Whiff box. Scentsy has its own subscription boxes. They are called Whiff boxes. They're $30 a month plus tax and shipping. And I am new to the Scentsy family. I just became a Scentsy consultant in July, so last month, and I'm absolutely loving my journey. But when I found out that Scentsy had subscription boxes, I had to get one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this with you guys. I'm really excited to see what they have, and it's a surprise every month, so it's pretty cool. This is the first thing that was inside of my box, and this is pretty much like the cover of the catalog, because the new catalog just launched this month. And it is amazing. So in here is just a what's on your list, things that you might like, and then you can cut all these out and their little bookmarks and stuff like that. So that's kind of fun. So in here is this gleaming silver packaging, and actually this is like amazing because what this does is it protects your wax from melting during shipping. I see in this bag here 4 waxes. Oh, these together are smelling so good. Oh, are these the fall ones? Yes, okay, these are some new fall scents. I don't have any of these except for one. So the one that I already have is this one. This is aloe vera and ivy, and this is actually August scent of the month. Yep, it smells like aloe vera, it smells like ivy, and it also has a little hint of melon, which gives it a nice little pizzazz. It's really good, really fresh, and the melon is not very overpowering. So if you're one that doesn't like a lot of super sweet melony flavors, this one is still gonna be good for you because it's not very overpowered with the melon. So the next one I have here is Autumn Road Trip. So this one has notes of apple and pear, and it also has notes of like an oak tree. And that's what I'm really drawing from this scent is the oak. So if you like a really naturey type smell where it's a little bit sweet, but it's also very earthy. So if you like that, you're definitely gonna love this because I can smell the apple and the pear, but I can also smell like this earthy tone, which is really bringing it down where it's not too sweet. So it's a really nice scent where it's a good balance. So right here we have apple and oats. This one is an amazing scent, you guys. I am in love with this one. It smells like a nice huge taffy apple dipped in that dripping caramel and a side of oats that are just all buttery and cinnamoned up. Take me to the pumpkin patch, right? Yum. So the next one I have is almond croissant. So this smells like fresh baked croissants with a little bit of cinnamon sugar and a smidge of almond in there. So this is really nice, and it just is so soothing for the fall. It's basically fall in a bar. This one is really delightful. Okay, you guys, next one in here is a whole bag of cozy cardigan Scentsy soap. Scentsy soap is amazing. If you don't want to use a whole bunch to put in your bath, you can definitely make like a little warm foot bath or a hand bath and use a scoop of this to go ahead and add to your foot or hand bath. You can also use it in the bath. If you have jets though, just make sure that you're rinsing your jets out with fresh water when you're done, just so no residue gets in there or anything like that. And I am really excited because I wanted to make some samples of this for my customers. Ooh, I like it because this one is pink. Ooh. What? Soft suede, blushing rose, and amber silk. If you're not a customer of mine but you do want to try this, I'd be more than happy to send you out a sample. I will leave my Scentsy email on the screen for you guys. Go ahead and reach out to me there, and I can get a sample to you as long as you're in the United States, because otherwise shipping gets to be so expensive for me. These are samples of the lemon verbena dish soap. Right now I'm using Squeeze the Day dish soap. The Squeeze the Day is so nice and also very lemony fresh. It works so good. The suds are amazing. I'm loving it. The next thing I got is a scent circle. Scent circles are awesome because you hang them in your car and you no longer have to have that like pine tree looking air freshener in your car. You can just have one of these nice little circles. This is in the scent Around the Campfire, which is new for the fall. For those of you who do not have your hands on a catalog, there's a catalog in the Whiff box. And I really love the way that they package it because they make it seem like it is a total present. So the value of my scent box this month was $39. So the box is $30 plus tax and shipping, and I got a $39 value, so I'm pretty excited about that. If you are interested in getting a Scentsy Whiff box for yourself, you can go ahead and head over to my website, infinite.scentsy.us, or head over to your current consultant's website, click on the menu button, scroll down to Collections, click on the Collections tab, and here's the Scentsy Whiff box. You can go ahead and add it to your cart right here. You're going to get a notification that the Scentsy Whiff box was added to your cart. Head on over to your cart and check out. It's just that simple. Enjoy your Whiff box. All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I had a blast and I hope you did too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me if you'd go ahead and do that for me. While you're there, click on that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload of mine. Until we meet again, you guys, ciao Bella!